Heir. The person who has the legal right to receive the property or title of another person when they die.
So what is this idea that you need to plan?
We need the heir of a major corporation to dissolve his father's empire.
We see right there you have various...
Well, the will stipulates that if after a period of 2 years from the date of death, no heir appears, Gusteau's business interests will pass to his sous-chef, you.
I know what's up.
Majestic. Beautiful, powerful, or causing great admiration and respect.
Springfield's oldest resident has died. No, it wasn't Mr. Burns. It was this majestic old redwood, which was brutally cut down last night.
Look at that bald eagle, kids. Majestic.
Dwindle. To become smaller in size or amount.
You see, we the fairy folk draw our life energy from human honesty and newspapers. And as you know, both of those things are dwindling in the world, which is why I, and I alone, am humanity's last hope for survival.
Oh, I'm hurt! I am very much hurt! Chances of survival are dwindling into single digits now.
Surplus. An amount of something that is more than what is needed.
Oh man, I should have gone first. 'Cause I was thinking, you know, we have a surplus of dragon-fighting Vikings, but do we have enough bread-making Vikings or small home repair Vikings?
You'll need this.
Kid, relax! All I want is a puppet!
A puppet? What are you playing at?
Everyone loves puppets, and it looks to me like you've got a surplus.
I don't know.
Traitor. Someone who is not loyal to their country, friends, or beliefs.
This is a traitor to your king.
Has your mind been melded? You could have killed me, Space Ranger. Or should I say, traitor? I don't.
Deliberate. Intentional or planned.
I think, Mr. Fox, a simple phone call might have sufficed. Mr. Wayne didn't want you to think that he was deliberately wasting your time. Just accidentally wasting it.
To overnight 6 packages to Japan is how much? What? That's in yen, right? Dollars? Oh, you are deliberately taking advantage of people in a hurry, you know that? All right.
Vandal. Someone who deliberately damages things, especially public property.
Master Shifu! Master Shifu, what do we got? Pirates? Vandals of Volcano Mountain? Whatever it is, I will take them down. 'Cause I...
Who would do this?
Tiny little vandals.
Drought. A long period when there is little or no rain.
Questions here. Our town is drying up. We're in the middle of a drought. Now someone is dumping water in the desert. Now it's a puzzle of undetermined...
Well, GMOs are resistant to pests, disease, and drought. It's just possible that GMOs can actually end world hunger.
I say let's get the...
Abide. 1. Accept or act in accordance with. 2. To live or stay somewhere.
I don't like it here, Morty. I can't abide bureaucracy. I don't like being told where to go and what to do. I consider it a violation. Did you get those seeds all the way up?
Refusal to abide by all the Detroit City ordinances will result in immediate arrest and forfeiture.
Unify. To bring together, combine.
Wait, what? Why? Didn't you just say goodnight?
The Wu sisters are unifying all the gang leaders to lay siege on China.
And how do you know this?
A little birdie told me.
That's why I need you. I want the same brilliant mind that solved the unified field theory to help me help live core.
Summit. The top or highest point.
Nemo, newcomer of orange and white, you have been called forth to the summit of Mount Wanahakalugi to join with us in the fraternal bonds of tankhood.
It sports plants and animals undiscovered by science. Who would dare set foot on this inhospitable summit? Why, our subject...
Heed. To pay attention to something.
People of Springfield, heed this warning! Twisted tail, 1,000 eyes, trapped forever!
My heavens! If only I'd heeded your warning, I'd have known it was impossible to cross the barrier.
Ah, but